Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to redeem a Capitec Top-Up Voucher using the Capitec app. The process is quick and works even if your app has a slightly updated layout. First, open the Capitec app on your phone and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, tap the Transact button at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you find Buy and tap on it. Next, tap History at the top of the screen to view your previous purchases. Locate your top-up voucher in the purchase history and tap on it to reveal the voucher PIN and other details. Keep in mind that top-up vouchers are for single use only and can be redeemed with supported mobile networks such as Capitec Connect, MTN and other participating providers. To redeem the voucher, dial the USSD recharge code for your mobile network on your phone. When prompted, enter the voucher PIN exactly as shown in the Capitec app. Once the PIN is accepted, your airtime will be added to your mobile number instantly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.